Fidelity Investments Investing Tool Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to Fidelity and related tools are in the description below. Let's get straight to it. Fidelity is one of the most trusted and feature-rich brokerage platforms, catering to both beginner and advanced investors. It offers commission-free trading on stocks, ETFs, and options, along with a wide range of investment products, including mutual funds, bonds, and even access to international markets. One of its standout features is Fidelity's zero-expense ratio index funds, making it one of the most cost-effective choices for long-term investors. A major strength of Fidelity is its powerful research tools. It provides in-depth market analysis, stock screeners, real-time data, and third-party research from firms like Morningstar and Zacks. The Active Trader Pro platform offers advanced charting and trading tools for experienced investors, while the mobile app ensures a seamless experience on the go. Fidelity's order execution is also top-tier, often providing price improvements for traders. Additionally, it offers a high-yield cash management account with no fees, making it a great all-in-one financial platform. Another key advantage is Fidelity's customer service. Unlike some competitors, Fidelity provides 24/7 support via phone, chat, and email. It also has a vast network of physical branches for those who prefer in-person assistance. The platform is particularly well-suited for retirement investors, offering a range of IRAs, 401k, rollovers, and tax-advantaged accounts with excellent educational resources to help users plan for the future. However, there are a few downsides. While Fidelity offers a robust trading experience, it may feel overwhelming for absolute beginners who want a simpler interface. Additionally, while stock and ETF trades are commission-free, options contracts have a per-contract fee, and some mutual funds may have transaction fees. Unlike some brokers, Fidelity doesn't offer direct cryptocurrency trading, though it does allow Bitcoin exposure through ETFs. Overall, Fidelity is a top choice for investors who want a full-featured, low-cost brokerage with excellent research tools, strong customer support, and a variety of investment options. Whether you're a long-term investor, an active trader, or planning for retirement, it's one of the best platforms available. Check the links in the description for more details, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more investing content.